Good morning, all of you. Today we are going to start new chapter, that is yoga and lifestyle. The first topic of this chapter is yoga. Meaning of yoga. Mainly the origin of word yoga is from Sanskrit word yuj, which means to join. Which means to join. According to Patanjali, who is supposed to be the founder of yoga, the meaning of word use is to stabilize the mind for the union of Atma, soul, and Paramatma. Paramatma mainly super controller. In simple word, yoga is a way to join God. That is merging of soul with God and experience of oneness with Him. According to योग सूत्र of पतंजलि योग चित्त वित्त निरोध. पतंजलि ने योग सूत्र में लिखा कि योग चित्त वित्त निरोध है, और वी कैन से द चेकिंग इम्पल्सेस ऑफ माइंड, और योगा इज रेजिस्टेंट ऑफ एक्टिविटीज ऑफ द माइंड. योग चित्त वित्त निरोध. योगा चित्त मीन्स मन, वित्त मीन्स वृत्तियां, निरोध मीन्स रोकना. मीन्स मन की वृत्तियों को कंट्रोल में रखना, रेजिस्टेंट करना, रोकने को क्या कहा उन्होंने? योगा कहा. स्वामी अकॉर्डिंग टू शंकराचार्य, mainly yoga is withdrawal of sense organ from the worldly object and their control. शंकराचार्य ने कहा था कि योगा इज विड्रॉल ऑफ सेंस ऑर्गन, अपने सेंस ऑर्गन को विड्रॉल करना फ्रॉम द वर्ल्डली ऑब्जेक्ट एंड देयर कंट्रोल. जो वर्ल्डली ऑब्जेक्ट जो हमको अट्रैक्ट करते हैं अपनी तरफ, उनकी तरफ जाने से अपने सेंस ऑर्गन को कंट्रोल करना. ठीक है, अपने आप को कंट्रोल करना. किससे? वर्ल्डली ऑब्जेक्ट की तरफ अट्रैक्ट होने से. तो उन्होंने किसने कहा था? अकॉर्डिंग टू शंकराचार्य. अकॉर्डिंग टू भगवद गीता, मैंने इवननेस इज योगा. इवननेस ऑफ टेम्पर और इवननेस इज योगा मीन्स एक समान रहना. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट वन इज योगा इज, अकॉर्डिंग टू गीता, योगा इज स्किलफुल इन एक्शन या स्किल एफिशिएंसी इज योगा. मीन्स योग, श्री कृष्ण भगवान ने कहा था योग कर्मसु कौशलम, मीन्स अपने काम को कुशलता से करना ही योग है. मेनली देर आर 8 एलिमेंट्स ऑफ योगा. नंबर फर्स्ट, इट इज ऑल्सो नोन एज अष्टांग योगा. मेनली नंबर फर्स्ट यमा, नियम, आसना, प्राणायाम, प्रत्याहार, धारणा, ध्यान, समाधि. We had already discussed these elements in class 11th. So today we will discuss about importance of yoga. The first importance of yoga is physical purity. Mainly yoga purify internal and external organs. Mainly the yogic kriyas like dhoti, neti, basti, kapal bharti, tratak are such yogic exercise which keep the internal organs of our body in clean. Next one is cure and prevention from various diseases. Mainly yoga practice prevents and cure many types of diseases like cold, cough, asthma, gastric problems, constipations, piles, high blood pressure, etc. And your various yogic exercise increase the immunity also. Yogic asanas and pranayams increase our immunity. Next one is reduces mental tension. Mainly yoga exercise like yogic kriyas like meditation, samadhi, dhyan improve our mainly reduces our mental tensions, stress, and reduces stress, anxiety, etc. And asanas like makrasana, salvasana, savasana, and bhujanga asana are beneficial for releasing stress and tensions also. Next one is reduces obesity and beautification of bodies. Mainly yoga exercise reduces fat from human body and reduces obesity and prevents us mainly diseases related to obesity. And mainly pranayams, yogic asana relaxes mental stress, reduces obesity, and makes body strong and perfect, and make our posture attractive. Next one is provide relaxation. Mainly yoga asanas like Padmasana, Salvasana, Shavasana provide relaxations also and remove stress and tensions. Next one is keep the correct body posture. Mainly, yogic asana tones a body and its muscles, and it shapes the body to look attractive and reduces excessive fat from body, thus prevents obesity. It also regulates proper diet according to the individual's needs and improve our posture. And yoga exercise also cure us and prevents us from various postural deformities like kyphosis, lordosis, scoliosis, knock knee, etc. And yogic exercise improve our cardiovascular system and away from cardiac problems, and also proper function, and so also improve the functioning of digestive system. And next one is increase flexibility. Mainly yoga exercise increase our flexibility. Mainly yoga asanas improve our flexibility, and mm, uh, mainly chakrasana, dhanurasana, halasana, bhujangasana are very beneficial to increase our flexibility and prevents us various mainly various injuries like sprain, strain, cramp, etc. Next one is improve ortho problems. So mainly removes ortho problem. Mainly many types of chronic ortho problems like arthritis, joint pain, spondylitis, backache, etc. can be prevented and cured through yoga. These are the main importances of yoga. So so today we have discussed about yoga. So now you are and okay. Thank you very much.